Good morning. It's Friday, day 40. I had talked in another video about my thumb started hurting like the end of the first week, but last night I rewatched my very first exercise video. My thumb's been hurting since day one, so it's been bothering me for 8 full weeks. 8 weeks. You would have thunk I would have quit by now. I ain't quitting. I'm sorry, I ain't quitting. But it does make it, I notice in my videos when I'm doing my curls, when I throw my shoulder down like this, it's because that hand just hurts. And I can't just lift the weight. I have to so because it's damaged and it hurts. And when I go to lift the weight and it hurts and I still want to get that weight up, I'm kind of throwing my shoulder down into it and getting that weight up, but it's affecting my whole arm. That stupid thumb is affecting my whole arm. First workout of the morning, I got up a half an hour earlier so I could work that thumb, and as you can see, I can actually bend it farther today because I've been working it longer this morning to get it to function properly, but that doesn't take away from the pain right here. It just means I can kind of grip the weight a little better, I hope. If I have to get up a half an hour earlier to work the thumb, to get it to bend farther so I can do a better workout and not be in so much pain, then that's what I'll do. I will tell you this, most people would have quit after the first week or the first few days of not being able to function with this thumb. I've never been known as a quitter. It will heal. It's just going to take time. All right, it's time to get on with the first workout of the day. It's my shoulders. They gotta pop in the morning. All right, I still have to set the weights down partway through. It's only been 3 days on this routine. It's going to take a little while longer for me to be able to do the full routine without setting the weights down. Just like when I went to 10 reps, I had to set the weights down. It took a while to get to where I could do each routine without setting the weights down. So I still have to set the weights down. Doing 15 reps. So that's just part of it. It's part of the cycle. I'm ready for it. I don't like that I have to do that, but it's part of the cycle. So let's do this. Oh, I'll sure be glad to rest over the weekend. I'll tell you that. It'll sure be nice. Third, 40. One more. 3 exercises down, 3 to go. I can feel it. Telling you. Those extra 5 reps on each exercise. Man, what a difference. What a difference. All right. Let's do the lats and the squats and the triceps. Okay, you know what? I am wearing myself out this week. But that's expected when you change up your routine. You expect to wear yourself out. So, I'm not complaining. Two more sets to do today. I expected, when I changed up my routine on Wednesday, I expected to be a little weaker on Friday. Because, and I'm not weaker, I'm just wearing out faster. Because I added 5 more reps to the full set. And then when I did the evening exercises yesterday, I added 5 more reps. So I expected this morning to have to set the weights down. At least once, but I had to do it twice. I'm gonna finish these other 2 sets off camera. Friday, day 40. I am exhilarated. I feel amazing. And I'll get these other 2 sets done. And then I'll rest for the weekend. And I will see you on Monday. Oh, do me a favor, hit the subscribe button, click the like button, share the videos. Throw me some love. And if you're new here and you want to know what's been going on, click the playlist over here and watch my journey from the very beginning. I'm doing this transformation, 59 years old, burning fat, getting in shape in real time. I'll see you Monday.